Belief in God, generally speaking, lowers the risk of hypertension, depression, criminal delinquency, suicide, and a host of other factors. As well, a number of studies have also shown that people who believe in God are generally far more altruistic and charitable and contribute more to civil society. Hence, there is plenty of evidence to make a strong, plausible, and I say here plausible because I understand it's not watertight, a strong, plausible scientific claim that society and individuals benefit when faith is prominent and central. I have over here references to over a dozen specific articles, peer-reviewed journals, meta-analytical studies and surveys that has collectively tapped into hundreds of research projects from around the globe involving multiple faiths and different cultures and different ethnicities, all of which demonstrate that belief in God typically translates into a better perception of well-being, of self-esteem, a better mental state, and yes, even better physical health. Overall satisfaction with the quality of one's life. And that